Peace, it's Dave from Mountain Fitness, and today I'm unboxing the Buddy Lee Ropemaster Jump Rope. So this is a high performance, he actually calls them hyper performance jump rope made by Buddy Lee. Full disclosure, I maintain a jump rope certification through Buddy Lee, but I am not paid to advertise or do I get any money from sales. It's just he puts out some great educational content, and if you ever want to see the type of rope he teaches, just check out his name and look on YouTube. And so I've been using a Versatrainer, which is another model, and then invested in this one just because I like having multiple ropes. I'm going to see how this one works, how it's different. So it's pretty solid packaging. See what it looks like when we open it. So first we'll take a look at the booklet. First thing, he's got some marketing things. 101 Best Jump Rope Workouts. I own that book. Online course. That's where you get your level 1 certification like I did through Buddy Lee. And a ebook 3-step system to jump rope mastery. I have not checked that out yet, but I believe it covers less things than the online course or the book. Got order to try to get you to buy some more. This is nice. So it's got a very good instruction manual. So what's nice about this rope is that both the bearings and the rope are replaceable. So right now this retails for $35. Replacement ropes you can get for $5. Replacement bearings for $7.50. On the Versatrainer, the website says the swivel bearings are not replaceable. On this one they are, but the swivel bearings look exactly the same. And now that I've got a wrench that comes to adjust it with this one, I might take out the other one and see if they really are replaceable and that's just something off on the website. It's got instructions for measuring the rope. If you want to know more about that, check out my video about how to measure the jump rope correctly. Instructions on screwing it in, pretty straightforward. Instructions on changing the ball bearing. And another little plug to become a certified coach/ambassador. Nice little checklist telling you to, wear good shoes, choose a good surface. Introduction to Buddy Lee, who has quite the resume. And the back just points out some more information. Only thing new here is it tells you that the end caps are just there for style and don't provide any functions. You could take those off, leave them on, depending what you want. Alright. So, the rope. This one feels a little bit softer from some of the other ones I've gotten from Buddy Lee. So one of the complaints that I found when reading other people's reviews and watching videos before I bought this is people complain about you can't just open this up and start jumping like many other ropes. Kind of, you have to do some setup. There we go. Alright. So this rope is definitely softer and has a lot fewer kinks than some of the other ropes I've got from Buddy Lee. Oftentimes, and also I still might straighten out anyway, so when it's kinked up, you have to submerge it in boiling water to straighten it. Check out the video I did on how to straighten a PVC rope, also on my YouTube channel for more information on that. But overall, same type of rope. Look at the handles. First, look at this. Actually feels like it's pretty solid and good quality. Again, this is important to keep because should you need to replace the swivels, use that. And again, I'll try this out on the Versatrainer and let you guys know if it works on that too. It seems odd that it would work and they wouldn't include it in the package though. Look how the colors match. And the handles. So notice, long handled jump rope. Like when I hold it, I still have this much more handle that I don't use. Helps you do tricks and turn the rope a little bit faster and easier. I like the foam padding a lot. The VersaTrainer does not have any foam padding. Let's take a look at this end cap, which again is optional. Screws right out with a coin. Yeah, kind of, it's hollow inside. Encamp does nothing. I guess you could store something small in there should you want to, but it's a little bit see-through, so I'm not sure why you would. Screws right back on. This coin's a little bit thick for it, so I'd say make sure you get a thin enough one. And other side, exactly the same. Remember, they just screw right in. So I will set this up and then we'll continue this and see how it actually turns. Also, I've got a video on setting it up as well. Check that out on the channel. Alright, got the rope all set up in size. Now time to take it for its first spin. Feels a lot like the VersaTrainer. Side view. It feels a little bit lighter actually, and the handle's definitely way less. So the VersaTrainer's got some more feedback. This is definitely going to be for a little bit more advanced jumpers because it's just so light. It's a very nice rope. So this is the one that Buddy Lee uses in almost all of his demos, but again, he's an advanced jumper. Nice lace. Again, it's definitely once you have it down, one of the weird misconceptions people have about jump rope is they think that lighter is easier, but lighter is actually a lot more difficult because you don't get the feedback to know where the rope is and where the handles are turning. Alright, glad you enjoyed. Have any comments? Leave them down below. Peace.